In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Master PDF Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open up your PDF, and from here, you want to go to top left where you can see this button, which is the text editor. So whenever you click on it, as you can see, it's going to load for a few seconds, and then you can click on any text, and it's going to get selected just like this. Now, it's going to select the text box, and you can go ahead and drag it around, and then you can also double click inside it, and this will allow you to edit anything inside that text. So for example, if I wanna, let's just say, delete these few sentences over here just like that, I can do so just like I would be able to in like Word or any other program which allows you to edit text just like that. As you can see, you can then move it around again, you can click in here again, you can go ahead and add your own text. So for example, if I type in hello there, as you can see it's working, I can go and mark it, and I can of course change things over here on the right. So as you can see, you can change fonts. So here I'm gonna change into a different font here, for example this one. There we go, it worked. I can change sizes. For example, if I go 16, there we go, it's a bit bigger. I can change colors. I can change pretty much whatever I want in here inside the text. And that's essentially how you edit your text here inside Master PDF Editor. Just don't forget, whenever you're done, simply click on this button top left over here, and as you can see, your text has been successfully edited. So that's essentially how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.